So, today I'm unboxing the 7-in-1 Instant Pot. So, let's see if it truly lives up to the hype. So first of all, we have a bunch of it's like kind of like a chart. We have a little recipe booklet and a user manual. Okay, so next, let's see what the pot looks like. Styrofoam is bad for the earth. And there you have it. So we have this brand new sexy pot. Little tag here in the back. Ooh, it's a pretty short cord. So you're going to want to be near the outlet. Get the cooking. Cool, nifty little jingles. Make cooking that much more fun. Let's see, it looks like there's some more shit in here that I did not even realize. Looks like we have some kind of rack. We have this measuring cup. Gives us own little complimentary ladle and spatula. And measuring cup. And just a piece of paper. Just some shit in French. Do not place face or unprotected skin over steam release valve. You know what? I'm sure we'll figure this out. And let's get this paper off. We have another warning. Remove card before use. And I just want to get this little orange thing off. There we go. And voila. Looks like we have new Instant Pot. Oh, listen to the little jingle. So, first things first. Let's just kind of lay out these little accessories here for us. And let's just see this chart here. Pressure cooking programs, you know, it's just giving us kind of a little flow chart of how things are going to go down on this in this thing. So going over the user manual, there's some hilarious warnings in here. I don't know how fucking brain dead somebody has to be to attempt any of this stuff. Basically, it looks like the most important thing takeaway here is to keep your body out of the way of hot steam. Seems kind of like a no-brainer. So let's just like kind of take a look at the lid, I guess. It looks like there's like a what they call an anti-block shield. Apparently these are removable. You know, if you want to like deep clean your lid. It has this rubber ring that you can take out and replace. The instructions say that certain foods will make it smell, and if you're cooking cheesecake or beef stew in here, you don't want, you know, that's just nasty. This looks like a little valve for where the steam is coming out of. Yeah, you can see it's going to be coming out of this hole here. And this just looks like a positioning thing. So that's pretty much it for the lid. Alright, so let's just keep going down the list. Control panel. Control and features, you know, we can do soup, or broth, meat, stews, bean chili, poultry. You can customize what kind of texture you're going to be aiming for. Okay, so personally, I kind of just want to get started. It says, read warning cards, clean inner pot with water and detergent before first use. I will, you know, do that later. Install the condensation collector at the rear of the cooker. So that looks like this. Okay, so if we turn this thing around, this is where this piece will go, apparently. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly snap this on here. This piece kind of just clicks into place there. So that is our condensation collector. Let's turn this bad boy back around. Next, it says to attach steam handle, which is this piece, and it looks like mine came attached already. It's supposed to be loose fitting, so don't be concerned that it's wobbling all over the place. So this user manual is kind of just filled with like a bunch of more safety tips, you know, things like don't put the lid on for saute. I think we're just gonna have to kind of, you know, apply those lessons as we go along. But there's something interesting. Let's do this initial test run in this user manual. According to the user manual, we're to add 3 cups of water. Okay, with 3 cups of water in there, now we are to put the handle back on in a counterclockwise motion. So if you can see, arrows can help align where it's supposed to be. Lock it into position. and hear that cool little jingle, which is going to be stuck in my head all day. And then next, make sure the steam release handle is set to sealing. If you remember, sealing, it looks like there's two options here, either venting, and it kind of comes up a little bit, or sealing, where it seems like a little less wobbly. Make sure that's in sealing. So let's keep going with this initial test run. Press the steam button and press the plus and minus keys to adjust time to 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see. Steam button is right here. And now plus and minus to 2 minutes. The preheating cycle will start after 10 seconds, and the cooker will display on. Traces of steam will release until the float valve pops up. Okay, I guess quickest 10 seconds of my life. Steam program will begin when working pressure is reached. After the cooking cycle is completed, the cooker will beep and switch to keep warm mode if the auto keep warm mode function is on. I don't know if that's on. I guess time will tell. And that is the getting started. Okay, so it looks like we're still preheating. It still says on. Definitely getting hot. It's probably very stupid of me to touch this, but it's getting hot, so it's not just doing nothing. Ooh, I just heard a nice little steamy spurt. Okay, so there's definitely something going on in that pot. It is churning, steaming, something. Oh, something just happened. Okay, so now it just says 2. I assume that means we are in steam cycle. Okay, so it looks like the countdown is over. Now there are 2 things that we can do. We can either do a natural release of the steam or a quick release. The difference being a natural release, you turn it off and you don't touch the little nozzle here. You just let it sit for anywhere from 10 to 40 minutes. Or we can do what I personally love doing, which is release the steam. So first I turn it off by pressing cancel. Now for the best part of pressure cooking, and quite frankly what I think will be your favorite part as well, to quickly and carefully flick this to venting. So that was kind of scary. The instructions do say to use a hot mitt or towel and to avoid your face being in front of that steam. But yeah, it seems like it's finally relaxed. So let's see what's going on inside the pot. Whoa, hot steamy water. Okay, a lot of condensation. So remember, that was just like hot water test. I think the instruction manual includes this part just to kind of make sure your Instant Pot's working. Hopefully it does exactly what mine just did. And I think that's about it. I think that I will never get tired of hearing that jingle. I'm super pumped to start using some of these recipes here that they were so kind to provide. God only knows what the first one will be, but you know, we got chicken, we got fish curry, vegetables for you vegetarians out there, classic mashed potatoes. That seems like a natural fit for this Instant Pot. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe for future Instant Pot endeavors.